Right, we're going to be talking about axe safety and the usage of the axe. So as you can see, I've got my first aid kit on my bag with no obstacles in between me, or what will be me, and the first aid kit, and it's open and ready for me to get to it as we're talking about axes. So when we use our axes, this is the second important thing to keep sharp, as the axe needs to be sharp to be more effective and again use less pressure when doing the task at hand. So put the sheath in a safe place, put it in my side pocket so I know where it is. So when we hold the axe, you can hold it around the top of the head, so you can use it for fine tasks or a replacement for a knife. You can hold it along the belly of the axe, so you've got more finer, less leverage but more finer chopping. As you can see, keep your V area out of the way of the blade, and you can see I've got quite a lot of control over fine chopping work, like that. You can move it further down the blade so you've got more leverage for more powerful chopping. Cutting actually right into my chopping block. And when we're doing more stronger chopping work, like splitting, you can always use a baton, but make sure you're going to hit the head and not the handle, because you will take chunks out of the handle and weaken it. So you can set it in and then big powerful blow down to split it. To split smaller bits, you can place the blade on, bear down. As you notice, I'm using a wooden block. When you do use an axe, it is a lot better that you do use one. Just to save the sharpness of your blade, you don't want to cut into the ground, and just to bring things up a bit further to eye level so you can see exactly what you're doing. So when you're carrying your axe, we keep it sheathed at all times, and we hold the blade up by the handle, the belly up by the head, as close to the head as possible, and if we do go to fall, you chuck it to the side. If not, there is another way to carry it on your belt, which is to slip it down and have it like this. That's quite a safe way, but if you do trip, it's not going to dig into you really. If you go forwards or if you go backwards, because it's got the flexibility of moving. So, in and around camp, know where your axe is at all times. If you are going to put it on the ground, just prop it up against something like the corner of your tree or your bag, or attach it to your bag. You've got, most bags have got ice axe loops. You can always thread it through there and keep it on your pack at all times.